I'm Angela Reed, and I'm the mother of 2 boys, Nathan and Sean, and this is going to be my first ever home. I grew up in government apartments, and it was just me and my mother growing up. I ended up getting lost in the world, just made bad choices.
She was homeless for a while. She lost custody of her 2 sons.
Not having my boys in my life, that's where I ended up going to the rock bottom. When I let down my pride and realized that I couldn't do any more on my own, I reached out for help. And from there, I was introduced to Lisa Cochran,
who you guys know from a couple years ago when we did Helen's house.
Welcome to Helen's house.
Oh, my goodness.
For such a darkness that I was experiencing, she became such a great light to me.
Lisa and Mike Cochran started an organization called Dwell for people who are trying to find their footing.
Through that, Lisa has helped me communicate with my kids, get my driver's license good, banking accounts, just things that normal people have that I had lost.
She turned her life around and actually got custody of her sons back, her 2 sons.
It's been amazing to see her transformation, to see her go from a position of homelessness to home ownership. She deserves the best of everything, like everything, because she's worked so hard for it.
Lisa Cochran is helping me finance my first home, and we're trying to stay in the budget of $150,000.
We want to talk about this house right here. I mean, they've already bought this house.
And so we feel a huge responsibility to honor Lisa and her generosity, but also this is a fresh start for Angela and her boys.
I know you know this house, but I bet you don't know that it's the McClellan house.
Okay.
Lucille and Paul McClellan moved here in 1940 and they lived here for 60 years. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,100 square feet, and y'all bought this house for $30,000.
All right.
Okay.
A lot of changes will happen here because we're making this the front porch again, and this staircase is the only way to access the 2 rooms and bathroom upstairs. So these doors would go away because we got to move the staircase into the living room.
I love the bay window.
Isn't it beautiful?
And the hardwood floors.
So if we moved that staircase door to this wall in the living room, this would become the new front door that opens up to your front porch. And this fireplace is in really good condition, so I think we would just put in a gas log insert. And the floors are in great shape. In here, we stripped the paint off the floors and refinished that original hardwood. And because this bay window is something that you really love, what if we make it a really cozy moment where you could read and relax? Wouldn't that be pretty?
That would be awesome.
You need a good kitchen if you're gonna have a good living room, don't you?
Come on. Nice little dining room.
Yes, and it's got a lot of character, you know? This beadboard
I like it.
Yeah, it's cute. We can get rid of this light fixture. Don't bust your head when it coming in. Cute little kitchen.
Yeah, this is cute.
You like it?
Yeah, I like bright kitchens.
Yeah, me too.
There's a lot about it I like. There's a lot that I would like to be better.
I love how light-filled the kitchen is. It feels so distinctly cottage.
Yes, yeah. I love like beachy colors and just the space of a cottage.
Yeah. So I want to preserve some of that. You could keep the sink under the window, keep some of that beadboard for the backsplash, have all new custom cabinetry with a range and a hood vent on this wall, and then we could open up a bigger cased opening between the dining room and the kitchen. If Sean's doing homework at the dinner table, then you're right here in the kitchen getting ready for dinner. Would be nice, right? All new flooring in here because the hardwood does not continue. And I think if we lost this window beside the back door, you would be able to build more cabinetry and have your refrigerator built in there.
I hate to lose that window, but I'm excited about that.
Yeah.
Okay, so front door to here, what you looking at?
That's bad. You gotta have new sheetrock in here.
But also, we've already talked about we're getting a new roof.
Getting a new roof.
Angela, I've already fixed that.
Okay.
I trust you, Ben.
Don't worry about that.
Well, let's head this way. This house has 2 bedrooms downstairs. Now, what if we could turn this bedroom into a laundry room?
That would be great.
Yeah?
Yes, I don't even have a laundry room. I have to wash clothes at work.
This will be life-changing. It's so wonderful to have a place to wash your own clothes at home. It's a luxury I think a lot of us take for granted. This could become your bedroom.
I love it.
Yeah. More of that sunshine, more light. We just need to do paint in here, new lighting, refinishing the floors, losing the doors.
Losing the door. We've already taken care of the door.
It's
not
gone.
here. Now, while the door is here, let's use it. We'll go out and go upstairs.
Yeah. Angela Sunshine is really into music. He's an aspiring musician.
I love listening to Sean play music. I think he's very talented with it and loves doing it.
This would be an awesome music room for Sean. Wouldn't that be cool?
That would be great.
He needs a space for it. And then his bedroom, which is very cool. I think he would love having his own space be the entire second floor.
If I was a kid, I would love this.
I would too. So, new paint, new lighting, new flooring.
Okay.
All right. All of the renovations come in at $120,000. So with the purchase price of $30,000, you'd be all in $150,000 on a 2,100 square foot house. Your first house.
My own home.
Yes. You can't go wrong with that investment in a house like this.
To be able to have my own home, me and my son, it's going to be amazing. With a music room and his own space, as a teenage boy, he is going to be in heaven.
This is her home. We're not showing her another house. So we're fixing a demo, and the next time she sees it, it won't be the McClellan house.
Our volunteers are experts with this excavator so that we can do a very precise demo of that front porch where we preserve the part of the house we want to keep and we carefully remove those walls that we don't need. It's delicate demo with heavy machinery. Today's rock bottom day, and when you hit rock bottom,
I mean, start building back.
Lisa told me that at the Remnant, they were getting a new donation in that Angela was really in love with.
This is so nice.
Yeah, this has got to be it. She said poster bed. I don't see any others.
Yeah,
Fancy.
very well made.
Yeah, it is. Solid brass bolt covers usually means this was a very expensive piece of furniture. Yeah, not a scratch on it, it
know.
looks like.
I love a poster bed. It's
Listen, this is a woman who has never had any luxury in her life.
yeah. Let's give her a moment.
Give her a dang poster bed, right?
Yeah.
And I think Lisa said we can just have it.
Really?
As a gift. Because she knows Angela loves it. When she walks in the room and sees that bed, she's gonna immediately recognize it. You don't just see mahogany four-poster beds
Yeah.
every day.
I think we do it.
Yeah. I mean, the ceiling's high enough, so we can. And she'll know Lisa really loves her. Lisa's the one who was paying attention and put us onto it.
Sean is Angela's son.
Okay.
He plays piano, but he doesn't have one. He goes to the Remnant, plays the piano there when his mom's working. So, we're giving him this keyboard,
That's really cool.
all right? But I want to make it something beautiful. To me, I've always thought that these weren't very pretty.
Not like a grand piano.
No, but could it be?
What you thinking?
Erin helped me with one build, which gave me inspiration for the keyboard table. What we're doing is we're cutting tapered legs just like on the nightstands. But we're gonna build the entire body out of maple. And then we are going to do a cherry inlay.
Let's put this thing in here and see how it fits.
There you go, that's it. The keyboard fits perfectly. I like it.
So there'll be a lid, right?
Yep, lid on the top. But
It'll
what
open
if?
up right here, yeah?
What if we inlay the front?
With more cherry?
Doesn't have to be like a full panel.
I like it.
Just like a
So right here?
stripe going around.
Ooh, I like it.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Lawn maintenance.
Okay, so you're just burning the weeds on the brick, right?
This is an old farming trick. Take you a torch and walk around and...
Are you having fun?
No. Here's the thing, if you mow over them, it scatters the seeds, and then you got more.
So once you've charred everything that you don't want, how do we make it look pretty and nice and friendly and not like...
When I'm done here, new side, rock and roll.
You're gonna be careful.
I got a 5-gallon bucket of water.
All right. It does look kind of satisfying.
Do you want to try it?
Not really.
This is the handiest and coolest tool ever. You can use it to light your barbecue grill. Zombie apocalypse.
You ready? Weeds taking over the sidewalk? You ready? World's biggest creme brulee? You ready?
Tell me you wouldn't be there for it. You
Get a
love
shovel to crack the top.
How good would it be?
Angela has never had a permanent home. She has been a rolling stone her whole life. This house is gonna be so emblematic of her entire future and what's possible and how good it can be and how she can put down roots, and especially for Sean.
This thing is pretty.
It's beautiful. And it's much lighter than a piano.
When you're a parent, that's the only thing you think about is how can I give my child roots and safety and to know that there is a home for you and you will always be safe and loved there. And when we get to participate in a renovation like this one where it's more than just a house, it's about how her life has been transformed, then we feel so honored.
This here is Angela's house.
Oh, wow. I'm gonna cry. That is beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
It's happy.
I love the color.
I love what y'all did with it. It's way better than it was before.
I love the door.
Yeah.
You can see it from a block away and how it just feels like a drop of sunshine on this block.
I love it. This has a porch, y'all.
A really good one, too. Like a deep, spacious porch.
It's mine.
It's yours, yeah. Yeah, so the porch was already there. It had just been walled in.
Yeah.
You remember that? We tore all that out and rebuilt it.
It's gorgeous.
The house is good and solid now. It's got a new roof on it. It's got a really good foundation. There were volunteers came from all over the state.
I love it.
All right, you got to see inside.
Okay.
The outside's
Ready.
good, the
You
inside's
ready?
better.
Yeah.
All right, come on. Here we go.
Oh my God. They're so much different.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so cozy.
How's the bay window?
I love it.
It's all very soft and warm and comforting.
Did you get good sunlight coming in as well?
Mm-hmm.
And the fireplace.
You got gas logs. It's gonna be a cozy winter. Do you notice this behind you talking about different?
Oh, wow.
So,
Where'd that come from? That wasn't there.
No, it
well,
wasn't.
the stairs were there, but
The opening was not.
there was a door here, a door to that bedroom over there.
So Sean would have to go outside to go upstairs to his room, and that's
That's right.
not great.
Do you remember that?
Yeah. We'll get up there in a little while. That's Sean's world up there.
Yep. Ooh, that's a really good world up there.
Yeah, there it is.
It's Angela's house.
Yeah. It's yours.
It's fun. It's beautiful.
And then the floors, they
Yeah.
cleaned up
Wow.
so good.
So different.
Look how beautiful the oak is and why someone would ever have painted it. I don't understand. But we did have a lot of patching we had to do, so the
Okay.
colors change a little as you walk through the house.
These
It's-
floors are perfect.
They're perfect. It's a sign that this house has a past.
Yeah, and a bright future.
Ooh, I like that.
Okay, let's keep going. You want to see the happiest kitchen I've ever seen?
Okay.
Yeah. You lead the way, Angela.
You have a beautiful dining room.
I love it.
It's just a very happy room.
Oh, wow.
You didn't see that coming, did you?
No.
Wow.
What?
Wait.
Ah! Oh, my God. I love it.
Good. We went with a sort of beachy pink. You like the pink?
Amazing.
Are you good with the pink?
Oh, I love the color.
It's very peachy, yeah.
I love it. Love this color. This is the original beadboard with fresh paint. It has a lot of character.
I love it. I love orangey tones.
Yeah. They make you feel good.
And the opening, I love this.
Yeah, the way it opened up to the dining room, it makes it feel like you can use it in such a different and better way.
Did you say I have a dining room?
You have a dining room.
We can sit and have a meal together.
Yeah.
Yep.
Do you remember the ceiling?
It's gone.
It's gone. There's no more mold.
We
no more
promised we'd
problems.
get rid of it.
You did. You kept your word,
New
Bill.
roof, no leaks.
Give you beautiful new stone quartz countertops. You have all new cabinetry to the ceilings.
I love all the storage, the cabinetry. It's beautiful.
This is gonna be a fun kitchen to cook in.
What's the first thing you're gonna cook in here?
Lasagna.
Ooh, can I come over?
Yeah.
Sure. It's my favorite
Lasagna.
food.
Oh my gosh, this room is totally different.
Yep.
Way different.
And the color, I love it.
You got good storage in here.
There's shelves all the way down in that really big cabinet.
Oh, wow.
And you have a whole closet just for whatever.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
You like it? You know, you're gonna have to do laundry now, right? You know this. This may be my favorite room.
Come see your bedroom. We have a surprise in it.
There's more surprises.
Yep. You recognize the bed?
Oh my gosh. This is the bed from the remnant.
Yes.
This is the bed I wanted.
I know.
It looks gorgeous in here. I love Lisa Cochran. I know she did that for me, didn't she?
She told us and she gifted it to you.
Really? I love her.
I love her. She does.
The feeling that I just felt when I walked in here, it's a calmness.
Yes.
I love it.
It's perfect in here. And Erin found these at the remnant. And so we changed out the hardware. We added an inlay to it.
I love the different tones like that. That is beautiful.
Erin did that maple inlay.
With a lot of help.
I'm about to cry, but I'm not gonna cry.
All right, Sean, you lead the way this time. Go on in.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
What do you think?
It's so different.
Yeah.
This is huge.
It's the biggest bedroom in the house.
It is.
Yeah.
I love it.
This
Love
is
it.
your own room.
I got a bigger bed.
Yeah.
Pretty tight.
It is.
The kids still say tight or?
I don't.
Okay.
It's all right. And then the doors are like my favorite little detail.
Those are the coolest doors ever.
Yeah.
And we know you're into music, which is why you also have.
Another room up here.
Oh my gosh.
How's that?
That is so much better.
Yes.
It's so different.
Yep.
I love it.
This is something that we made just for you.
What is it?
What is it?
Oh my God. You're blowing my mind right now. That's amazing.
It's maple with a cherry inlay. You have your own keyboard now?
I love it. It means a lot to me.
Good.
I'm so glad. I made some acoustic tiles for the wall to hopefully absorb some of the sound.
Gives him freedom to play whatever he wants.
This is like his own apartment up here.
It's a cool space.
I'm gonna be up there all the time.
No, you ain't. No, you ain't.
Do I get to keep the keyboard?
You do?
Yes. It's yours, for real, for real. But you've got to promise me you're going to come down and hang out with your mom sometimes, okay? Even if you're 17, you're still her baby.
I'm so proud of you, and you just keep that music talent up. Keep going for that, you hear me? Okay.
Congratulations on your
Thank
mom.
you.
It's beautiful.
Thank y'all for doing
Thanks
this.
for letting us help.
Yeah.
The house was $30,000, and through some volunteer efforts and everything else, the renovation was $120,000. So all in, $150,000.
Just unbelievable. I'm still in shock. And I'm so glad I get to share it with my son.